T fam, welcome back to TaylorMade TV. Y'all, I'm so geeked, okay? I'm super geeked. If you don't know, your girl's curls are a little dry, okay? And if you didn't know what I'm about to do in this video, honey, from the thumbnail, I'm about to show y'all, okay? Bam. I'm about to try Cream of Nature Pure Honey. Oh, honey. Yes, honey. I got 4 of their products. Hashtag not sponsored. But that's okay. I'm trying their Pure Honey Moisture Replenish and Strength Hair Mask. Trying that. Their Pure Honey Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. Yes. Do y'all see this? Honey, I got the shampoo and the conditioner. I hope and pray this stuff work. Honey. T-fam. Y'all, people, my peoples. Look. Y'all think I'm lying. This right here. Y'all, I haven't detangled my hair or anything. My hair was in a big matted puff ball, okay? I put water on my hair. That's the only thing. This is the shampoo. Okay, I got a little bit on there because I had to jump out the shower. I said, I got to tell my T-fam what, honey, what the honey. Yeah, look. Y'all, look at this. Because I don't want nobody saying, oh, she making this stuff up. Y'all see this? Y'all, she loves it. She loves it. I can detangle. Y'all. Okay. I'll be back when I get through. Okay, I am back. Y'all, I think I'm in love with the shampoo. This stuff was the bomb, okay? I think my Camille Rose has a contender. Not bad, Cream of Nature. Not bad. I was very happy with this. Let's talk about the conditioner. First thing about this conditioner, just let me show you. Like, can you see it? Like, it is massive thick. This is a good product. I'm not gonna take that away from this. But the thing about this product is there is absolutely no slip. I almost cried. This conditioner is gonna need a little bit more work. I didn't have a drop of slip. None. And I was very disappointed because I wanted this product to be great. So what I had to do to add slip, I just applied the product, worked it in as best as I could, and then held my hair under the shower stall and let the water get on it. And so, you know, I was able to do a little something with that. But usually with my condition, it shouldn't take all that. So, I really hate that. But it's gonna get used, okay? It's a, you know, I don't want to, that's the only thing I disliked about this product. The only thing is that there wasn't any slip. I'm gonna try the hair mask and see how that works. It's kind of running just a little bit, not real thick. Now see, I almost feel like maybe this could have probably been the texture of the conditioner, And the hair mask, I don't know. That ain't none of my business, okay? But let's try this out. See what we got. Ooh. And all the products smell really good. See, it's very runny. I like that. Goes on pretty good. And already detangled in the shower. Yeah, this goes on really well. And it has really good slip to it. Shout out to my baby Paris for giving me a well-needed trim. Okay guys, I'm back. I just finished applying the hair mask and I love it. So I'm about to throw a conditioning cap on. I'm going to sit under my dryer probably for about 15-20 minutes. Yeah, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. I have deep conditioned my hair and it is so soft. I really like that hair mask. It works really, really well. So now basically, as usual, I'm about to do the lock method. I am going to be using the twisting cream, and it is very thick. So it's creamy, but it's almost, I want to say kind of fluffy, like almost. I don't know, but it's, I mean, it feels really good. So I don't have the actual leave-in to this product, unfortunately. Use this, the leave-in repair. You guys saw it. I did a tutorial on that. This was a really good product. Really, really love this product. So I'm going to use this as a leave-in, but I'm first going to make sure they cocktail together, even though, yep, make sure they don't bead up. They don't bead up. So if you want to check a product, you just, and I actually have a video coming about trying to see if products cocktail. So yeah, it actually goes pretty well. Twists look very juicy and healthy, and there's no slip either with this. So I don't know what my twists are gonna look like. Right now my hair is happy, so and it's soft, so I mean it has to count for something, right? I couldn't find the leave-in spray, which I really wanted to try to leave-in spray. So what I did was I just went back to my old the coconut milk. I used this as a leave-in, and then I used the Essential 7 treatment oil. I used this, And then I sealed it with the twisting butter. I will say, like with the twisting butter, this is probably something I would use because it's so thick. I would probably use this like in the winter. But yeah, I wanted this product to be like bam, honey, you know, but I want to be as truthful as I possibly can. The shampoo and the hair mask are probably my favorite out of this line right now. Do y'all hear my children upstairs? Honey? Okay. The jury is out on the twisting cream. And I absolutely do not like this product. Again, it's okay. Will I buy it again? Probably not. Am I gonna use it up? You doggone right I am. I spent my coins. I don't know, guys. I don't know. So that's where I am. I will for sure give you guys an update when I take my twist down. Guys, I'm super late, but I would say that my twists have been up for 2 days. And hair is super hydrated. Feels very moisturized. So yeah, very good product. So I'm gonna finish taking out my twist and I'll be right back. So, yeah. It's a very good product. Final look. My twists came out absolutely amazing. The only thing I will say about the twisting cream is that it left my hair just a little bit crunchy when I started to take my twist down. It's moisturized, but it has like a crunchy type hold, which I don't like. But other than that, the product, the entire line is nice. I love the shampoo. I wasn't thrilled with the conditioner. It didn't have a lot of slip for me. The mask was absolutely wonderful. And the twisting cream is nice. It has a really nice hold and really defines your curls or your twists. It leaves my hair just a little bit too crunchy. But other than that, if you guys, I wouldn't say not try the product. Very well, may work very well with your hair. So yeah, guys, that is my honest review of the Pure Honey Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. The line for me, I would say from a rating out of 1 through 10, I would probably give this product overall maybe a 7. I would say that my favorite product out of the entire line is the shampoo and the mask. Those two were awesome. Guys, you guys go out and you try the Cream of Nature Pure Honey line. And if you guys have tried it, leave me a comment down below to let me know how did you guys like the product, if it worked fine for you guys. But yeah, and until the next video,